Hi everybody, welcome to Ephraim for this evening. I'm Daedran. Movado back on the rock after an almost decade-long hiatus.
Now in a news update on Wednesday, head of the St. Andrew North Division, Superintendent Randy Sweeney, shared with Ephraim that the charges against the artist from a 2018 incident have been closed.
Based on the information that we have at hand and the circumstances, that matter has been closed. And of course, the police met with him and his attorney.
Up to March of this year, Movado, whose real name is David Brooks, was wanted for assault occasioning actual bodily harm. News of the charges being dropped comes following sightings of the DJ on the rock after he arrived Tuesday night from Miami in Florida. In a social media post, Minister of State in the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Delano Sebright, shared that on Tuesday he met and held discussions with the dancehall star. And as fans celebrate the DJ's return, they are eager to see the Gully God back on a Jamaican stage. Ricardo Wisdom, Movado's official DJ, has also teased an announcement on Instagram with a photo captioned, "Got it upon the grung. What's next? We'll soon see."
Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce honored following her recognition by Athlos. In a post on Instagram, the three-time Olympic gold medalist and 10-time world champion stated that she is deeply moved by the recognition from Athlos. She added that watching the sport evolve and seeing more women step into their purpose both on and off the field brings her pure joy. Last Friday, retired professional tennis player Serena Williams crowned the Pocket Rocket with the Tiffany & Company crown at the Athlos event in New York, celebrating a lifetime of speed, excellence, and legacy. The announcement of the crowning was made by Williams' husband, Alexis Ohanian, the founder of Athlos, during an interview with CBS Mornings last Thursday. Now, on the international scene, Nicki Minaj threatens to cancel her upcoming album. Dropping a bombshell on social media platform X on Wednesday, the Grammy-nominated rapper shared that she'll no longer put out her previously announced album, which was slated for March of next year. She also stated that she'll no longer be putting out any music. She added that Roc Nation had been begging for her to do an album and a tour. Now, Minaj has been taking shots at Jay-Z over the past few months, with one of her biggest claims being that he owes her up to $200 million tied to her equity in Tidal. The rapper's posts have also targeted Roc Nation CEO Desiree Perez, accusing both her and Hove of sabotaging aspects of black culture while claiming fans blindly support them. Now, Taylor Swift sets yet another Billboard Hot 100 record. All 12 songs of the Lifetime of a Showgirl album fill the top 12 spots on the chart, led by the single The Fate of Ophelia. It's the first album to place all. Ephraim this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.